What's going on, travelers? Eric here with the All-Inclusive Exclusive, and today we're stepping aboard one of Royal Caribbean's crown jewels, the Harmony of the Seas. Let's take a deck-by-deck tour of this incredible ship and highlight everything from dining options to must-see entertainment spots so you'll know exactly what to expect on your next cruise. Starting off on Deck 3, we have Entertainment Central. This deck is all about world-class performances. Catch Broadway-style shows at the Royal Theater or experience the spectacular ice skating performances at Studio B. You'll also find the conference center here, perfect for business or group events. But most importantly, Deck 3 features the primary entrance to the main dining room. So whether you have scheduled or flexible dining, this is where you'll want to come to meet with the maitre d' and plan your dining experience. Deck 4 features the casino where you can try your luck on the seas. They also serve generous free drinks while gambling if you don't have the drink package, and it features the art gallery, Crown Lounge, the Attic Comedy Club, and the Studio B ice skating rink. Deck 5 is the beating heart of the ship, the Royal Promenade. You'll find everything from exciting entertainment to fantastic dining options here. Unwind with a drink at the Boot and Bonnet Pub, get a machine-mixed beverage at Bionic Bar, or take a ride on the Rising Tide. If you're hungry, you can swing by Sorrento's for Royal Caribbean's famous pizza, or party the night away at Bolero's. If shopping for souvenirs is your thing, this is where you'll want to make a few stops. And you will also find the included coffee shop for those quick caffeine hits. Moving to Deck 6. This is where the fun continues with the lively boardwalk. Take a spin on the classic carousel, or let the kids enjoy the arcade. Dining here is casual and family friendly. You can enjoy burgers and shakes at Johnny Rockets, or specialty hot dogs at the Boardwalk Doghouse, which is an included dining option. You'll also find the non-included Starbucks and Sabor, the Mexican restaurant a la carte option on the ship. Deck 6 also features the Vitality of the Sea Fitness Center and the Vitality Cafe, a great spot if you'd like to get that post-workout protein shake or if you're just looking for a juice option. At the aft, you'll find the Aqua Theater, the stage for incredible high diving and acrobatic shows as long as the seas are calm, and the climbing wall if you're feeling a little brave. If you're in the mood for a cocktail, this is where you'll also find Schooner Bar on Deck 6 overlooking the Royal Promenade. Deck 8 is home to Central Park, a serene, open-air space surrounded by over 12,000 plants and trees. Dining here is an elevated experience. Savor a perfect steak at Chop's Grill, indulge in gourmet Italian dishes at Jamie's Italian Kitchen, treat yourself to a tasting menu at 150 Central Park. For lighter fare, Park Cafe offers fresh sandwiches and salads in a peaceful setting. And if you're in the mood for a drink, here you'd find Trellis Bar, Vintage's Wine Bar, and Dazzle. Shifting to a quick stop on Deck 12, well, mostly cabins, this deck is home to the one-of-a-kind dining experience, Wonderland. This is an intense gastronomic experience, and I recommend everyone tries it at least once. Now we're heading to the upper decks. Deck 15 and 16 are all about fun in the sun. Cool off with a tropical drink at the Solarium Bar, stop for lunch at the Solarium Bistro, or grab small bites at the properly named restaurant, Mini Bites. You'll also find the casual Windjammer Marketplace, the ship's main buffet, serving a variety of both casual and international dishes. On Deck 15, you'll find the main pools, sports courts, hot tubs, and the pool bar and sandbar. For thrill seekers, there's no shortage of adventure. Ride the flow ride or surf simulator, take the plunge on the Ultimate Abyss slide, or zip line across the ship from the zip line. And if you're looking for something low-key, challenge your friends to a game of mini golf. Deck 17 is the Suites deck. This is going to feature the Coastal Kitchen, which is the suites only restaurant offered by Royal Caribbean. This deck also includes the Suite Lounge, where if you do happen to have a suite, you can enjoy unparalleled ocean views in complete luxury. Well, that's a wrap on our quick deck-by-deck ship tour of Harmony of the Seas. Let me know in the comments which restaurant or feature you're most excited to explore. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and I would really appreciate it. And make sure to follow us for more cruising, all-inclusive, and travel tips. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.